Elena. Welcome back, adventurers of the vibrant and verdant, to Nature's Whispers, English Adventures in the Wild. I'm Elena, your guide, and today we prepare for an immersion unlike any other. We have traversed the silent peaks, braved the vast extremes of the desert, and explored the boundless, mysterious depths of the ocean. Each landscape has challenged our perceptions and expanded our understanding of Earth's remarkable diversity. Today we step into a realm of overwhelming life, a place where the very air breathes with vitality, where every inch teems with untold species, and where sound is a continuous, mesmerizing tapestry. We are about to journey into the heart of the living Rainforest Symphony, a narrative that invites us to experience a world of perpetual twilight, incredible humidity, and a ceaseless, vibrant chorus of life. This journey promises not vast, open vistas, but an intimate, almost claustrophobic embrace of green. Not stark silence, but a rich, multi-layered cacophony. Not barrenness, but an explosion of biodiversity. Prepare to feel the warm, moist air cling to your skin, to navigate tangled roots and dripping leaves, and to let your senses be utterly overwhelmed by the sheer, exhilarating intensity of life in its most abundant form. Let's step into the rainforest. Imagine the transition from the familiar open world. You've journeyed through areas that gradually become more lush, the trees growing denser, the air growing warmer and more humid. You might pass through a cleared, sun-baked expanse before arriving at the very edge of the rainforest itself. Here the change is abrupt, almost like stepping through an invisible curtain. Before you stands an impenetrable wall of green, a colossal verdant barrier made up of trees of unimaginable height, their branches interwoven, their foliage so dense it blocks out the sky. A palpable sense of mystery emanates from within, an invitation to a world utterly alien yet profoundly alive. The moment you step inside, the sensory shift is immediate and dramatic. The intense direct sunlight of the outside world is instantly replaced by a perpetual twilight, a dim, diffused light that filters down through multiple dense layers of canopy high above. It's like stepping into a vast, natural cathedral, where stained glass light patterns play on the humid forest floor. The air, which was merely warm outside, is now thick, heavy, and intensely humid, a palpable presence that clings to your skin, making it feel slightly slick. Every breath is deep, moist, almost tasting of damp earth and rich, decaying vegetation. The path beneath your feet is no longer firm ground. It's often muddy, slick with constant moisture, crisscrossed by colossal exposed roots that snake across the forest floor like ancient, slumbering serpents. Thick, vibrant ferns unfurl their fronds in every direction, their lush greenness almost luminous in the dim light. Exotic plants with broad, waxy leaves compete for space, their surfaces often adorned with glistening dewdrops or the traces of recent rain. Vines, thick as a human arm, hang like ropes from the upper reaches, twisting and tangling, creating a natural web that makes navigation a slow, deliberate dance. And then the sound. It's not a single sound, but a continuous, overwhelming symphony that envelopes you from all directions, a complex tapestry woven from countless voices. It's a sound that never truly ceases, a constant, vibrant hum that signifies life in its most abundant, unceasing form. The most constant component of this symphony is the ceaseless hum of unseen insects. Thousands, millions of them buzzing, chirping, clicking, creating a background chorus that fills every available space. You can almost feel their vibrations in the humid air. Cicadas buzz with an almost electric intensity, while a myriad of other beetles and tiny creatures add their unique chirps and scrapes to the ongoing rhythm. Above this insect orchestra, the bird calls are astonishingly diverse and often startlingly loud. From high in the canopy, you might hear the piercing, almost metallic shriek of an unseen toucan, its call echoing through the dense foliage. The squawks and chatters of parrots are interspersed with the more melodious, liquid notes of smaller, more delicate birds. Each call feels exotic, vibrant, a distinct voice in the grand choir, signifying a hidden presence among the dense leaves. Deeper within the forest, or from specific pockets of trees, comes the incredible cacophony of monkey calls. The howler monkeys, distant at first, Their guttural roars are deep and resonant, echoing through the layers of the rainforest, a sound that can be both thrilling and slightly unsettling in its primal power. Their calls are joined by the lighter chattering and rustling of other monkey species, as they swing and leap through the upper branches, often unseen but always heard. Near any source of water, a muddy pool, a slow-moving stream, or even just a particularly damp section of the forest floor, the amphibian chorus comes alive. The deep, resonant croaks of frogs mingle with the higher-pitched calls of tree frogs, creating a continuous, bubbly symphony that rises and falls in intensity. You might hear the distinct drip, drip, drip of water from leaves high above, condensed moisture falling from the canopy, adding a gentle rhythmic percussion to the overall soundscape. And sometimes a sudden torrential rain shower descends, turning the forest into a cascade of sound, the drumming of raindrops on broad leaves, the rushing of newly formed rivulets, a powerful cleansing deluge that briefly overwhelms all other sounds before retreating, leaving behind an even richer, deeper humidity and a glistening, vibrant landscape. As you navigate this dense, living world, you become acutely aware of its verticality. The forest floor is a realm of decomposition and renewal. The rich, humid earth beneath your feet is constantly recycling nutrients, breaking down fallen leaves and branches into new life. Giant fungi, some in brilliant colors, sprout from decaying wood, a testament to this constant process. Beneath the surface, the ground itself feels alive, teeming with unseen insects, worms, and microorganisms, all contributing to the rainforest's incredible vitality. Above you is the understory, a dense layer of smaller trees, shrubs, and saplings, all reaching desperately for the light. It's a tangled, intricate world where lianas, thick woody vines, loop and intertwine, forming natural ladders and bridges. This is where you might encounter the epiphytes, plants that grow on other plants without being parasitic, clinging to branches, adorned with vibrant, exotic blooms like orchids and bromeliads, their brilliant colors a shocking contrast against the surrounding greens. And then high above is the canopy, the true roof of the rainforest. This is a world largely hidden from the ground, a realm of intense sunlight and constant movement. It's where the majority of the rainforest's animal life resides, a vibrant avian world of birds with astonishing plumage, and the complex societies of monkeys and sloths. You can only imagine the intricate life that unfolds up there, the hidden battles, the fleeting moments of beauty, all orchestrated by the sun and rain. The canopy is the engine of the rainforest, tirelessly photosynthesizing, filtering light, and releasing the vast amounts of oxygen that make it truly the lungs of our planet. Amidst this overwhelming vitality, glimpses of individual creatures are fleeting but unforgettable. A colorful butterfly, its wings the size of your hand, patterned with incredible, intricate designs, might flutter past, its iridescent beauty a momentary splash of light in the dimness. You might spot a tiny, vibrantly patterned frog, its skin shimmering with moisture, clinging motionless to a broad leaf, its small size belying its toxic defense. From afar, the haunting call of a howler monkey reminds you of the larger creatures that roam these ancient trees. If you're incredibly patient, you might catch a glimpse of a sloth, moving with excruciating slowness high in the branches, its deliberate pace a stark contrast to the buzzing energy all around it. The sheer biodiversity here is mind-boggling, a testament to millions of years of evolution with countless species yet to be discovered. The constant humidity is a profound experience. Your skin feels perpetually damp, your clothes cling. Yet this very humidity is the lifeblood of the rainforest, creating the perfect conditions for the explosive growth and lushness that defines this ecosystem. It's a warmth that permeates everything, a deep, pervasive heat that fuels the endless cycle of growth, bloom, decay, and renewal. As the day begins its slow descent, the rainforest symphony subtly shifts. The birds' calls become less frequent, the insect hum might intensify, and the sounds of nocturnal creatures begin to stir. You begin your slow journey back towards the edge, feeling as though you are emerging from a living, breathing entity that has completely enveloped your senses. Stepping out of the dense foliage and back into the clearer light of the forest edge feels almost like a shock. The air seems lighter, cooler, less dense. But you carry the rainforest within you, the lingering scent of damp earth and exotic blooms, the echo of its ceaseless symphony in your ears, and a profound sense of awe for its incredible complexity and vitality. You've witnessed an ancient, vibrant ecosystem, a powerhouse of life, and its powerful energy will forever be etched in your memory. Elena. And so, Himanshu, our truly immersive journey into the living rainforest symphony, comes to its breathtaking conclusion. I hope you felt the overwhelming humidity, imagined the layers of life, and heard the constant, vibrant chorus that defines this astonishing ecosystem. Think about the sheer density and diversity of life in the rainforest. What were the most striking images and sensations for you? Was it the perpetual twilight, the overwhelming sounds, or the intricate relationships between countless species? The rainforest teaches us about interconnectedness, about the incredible abundance of life, and about the delicate balance that sustains such immense biodiversity. It is a vital, irreplaceable heart of our planet. The words we immersed ourselves in today: impenetrable, perpetual twilight, canopy, humid, dense, ferns, epiphytes, gnarled, intertwining, fluid, ceaseless, cacophony, resonant, guttural, amphibian, lianas, biodiversity, ethereal, vibrant, iridescent, astounding, overwhelming, intricate, astonishing. These are now inextricably linked to the very essence of the rainforest. They are the feel of the thick air, the sound of hidden life, the beauty of an exotic bloom, and the profound power of a global ecosystem. Next time you encounter a patch of green or even just listen to the sounds of nature around you, recall our journey into the rainforest. Imagine the countless hidden lives, the unseen connections, and the endless symphony that plays out. How can you use these words to describe the vibrant, interconnected life around you? That's how we make English a living, breathing part of our personal connection to the natural world. Join me next time on Nature's Whispers, as we journey to a place of profound age and quiet resilience, a world where trees stand as ancient sentinels. We'll be exploring echoes of ancient forests, discovering the unique magic of old-growth woodlands. Thank you for joining me on this powerful and deeply sensory adventure. Keep listening, keep imagining, and keep letting nature whisper its secrets to you in English.